Hello art friends, it is that time again in Monet Cafe Studio where I'm announcing a new monthly theme. The month of September, I'm calling it Mountain Majesty. And I live in Florida currently, but my entire family tree, everyone in my family, is from the western North Carolina mountains. If you've been to the Blue Ridge Mountains, anywhere along that mountain chain, you know they just capture your heart. I'm a mountain girl at heart. So this theme is appropriate for me, and also this month I'm gonna break some principles down for painting mountains that I think are gonna be great for beginner artists. It's really not all that hard once you know a few simple rules. So Monet Cafe Art Group on Facebook, patrons on my Patreon page, Monet Cafe YouTube channel. Get ready for some great learning. I think it's going to be great learning and enjoying the beauty and God's majesty of the mountains. So I hope you will join us with the learning and painting fun in the month of September. And as always, God bless and happy painting.